Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther, and today is another circle day where I basically explore another Vortex style in Illustrator. So the first step is I'm gonna swap it from fill to stroke. I'm gonna click on the stroke, select the black color, and make sure that you don't have anything on the fill. I'm gonna select the pen tool. I'm gonna go here somewhere in the center, click. From here, I'm gonna go to the effects, distort and transform, roughen. And as you can see, it's gonna make its job like it's gonna make it like zigzag. We're gonna make it smooth. And then we're gonna decrease the details. I might go with 4. I'm gonna increase the size. And I might decrease the detail a little more. This is good. Click OK, go to Object, Expand. And from here, I'm gonna press the Rotate tool. I'm gonna press somewhere here, press and hold Alt, and then press it. Click. I'm gonna go with 6 degree. Click on Copy. And here, I'm gonna zoom in. I'm also gonna select the pen tool. I'm gonna connect it up here. And I'm gonna go to the Pathfinder, click on Unite. If you don't have a Pathfinder, go to Windows and select the Pathfinder. I'm also gonna swap it from a stroke to fill like this. And I'm gonna right click on Group and delete this little part. I'm gonna select both, right click, group, and again I'm gonna select the rotate tool. I'm gonna press and hold Alt, click, and I'm gonna type in 12 degrees. Click on copy, press Ctrl D until it goes round and round. And I don't like the interior side of this, so I'm gonna select all, right click on group, and I'm gonna delete these. Really nice. And this is how I make a funky zigzag kind of looking vortex in Illustrator. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye.